To solve a Rubik's Cube is much more easy than you thought. While using the so-called Devil's Rhythm, you can solve the Rubik's Cube in 4 simple steps. By the way, don't forget to subscribe this channel and give us a thumb up, thank you. Just do this 4 easy steps again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is, your solved Rubik's Cube. If you need help, feel free to use our Rubik's Cube solver. You can find the link under this video in the description. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and give us a thumb up. Thank you very much.